Hello, hello. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. All right, guys, we are live. Hello, brother. You're super on time, eh? How do you even know I went live or all that? Is it because you set some notification? I just started like 30 seconds only. You're in already. My friend, you are very, very punctual. But do you receive any notifications? Okay. And that's okay. Wow, you're very, very punctual. Nice, man. Can see your effort in coming here to the live stream. Thank you so much, man. Really, thank you so much. Okay, so same thing as always. I'm scanning through the charts and then we'll see what do we have. I think I want to get out of AMD soon. Our RR for AMD is fantastic. I think I want to get out. Then after that, most likely, I think AMD, yeah, possible might, never go out, confirm come in. Okay, okay. Yeah, sometimes, you also need to go and relax, huh? But really, thank you so much for coming, man. So so far, how's the course for you? Is it okay? I see that Potato Head, he like, oh, good leh. When he studied the course, like, only today is I think day number 3. Wow, he can start to look at all the wave structures and everything. I'm super amazed. Really, really amazed. How is it for you? UNH, UNH nothing for me. PG also nothing. Okay, okay, Roderick. Huh? Hope to guide you even further from there on. Yeah, because I look at how Potato go through the course, I think if you go towards the end, you will really start to understand how it works really. When he showed me his chart all that, I was quite shocked though. Yeah, I think if he can do it, you definitely can do it. Then at least when I see him posting all that, and you also posting, it makes me a little bit more relief. At least the teaching is not that difficult. I need to scan through and see what do we have today. Do you all feel very hot today? It's like Singapore weather damn hot that kind. Hello, Hazel. Nice to see you. Actually, I feel like calling your names rather than us calling by your username. I think it's better though. Tired, yeah. Game. Okay, I stopped at roughly around DHR area. Okay. Hello, Mr. Pong. For me, this type of setup is the type of trade that I don't take though. So I don't really understand how it moves. So, any trade that you take, just try to be a little bit more careful. Mr. Pong, do you use, cash account or you use a margin account? Okay lah, I will call you Hazel. Then after that, Roderick, maybe I call you Rick. Your name is Rick, right? If I remember correctly. Cash account, okay lah, Mr. Pong. You can decide how you want to buy it. Yeah, because for me, I use a margin account for trading, so I have very strict rules to follow. I can't, take very, very dangerous thing. Somehow I'm running a team. If I take dangerous stuff, I will die so badly though. One person die, no problem. Don't make the whole team die together. Yeah, because I don't understand the stock, so usually I just keep it. I just, skip it. No, no, no. His name is Rick, okay? Rick. Or if not, you can call him JK. JK is also okay, I think. Hey, Tan Tan, thanks for your recommendation yesterday. I think you took BTM or something, right? I also took it. Thank you, man. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Braveheart is JK now. Yes, yes, correct. Hello, random. Hello, hello. Nice to see you. Yeah, our positions are doing extremely well, huh? What, huh? Our AMD, whoa, 1:9, brother. 1:9 for AMD. Fantastic, man. I'm going to close it off already. I think more or less enough. Hey, random. Actually, I started this account already this month. So right now, up about 10%, 10 plus around there, 11%, I think. I started already, but then, because I'm doing the course video, so I don't have time to, go and do reels or shorts, regarding that account, but I started already. I transferred my money to, that's why recently you see I take trades very slow, right? Because I transferred my money to transferred to Interactive Broker. Then suddenly I need to, start to get used to it again. Random is Adrian. His name is Adrian. You only trade options here. No, Benedict, I buy and sell stocks more, a little bit of options. Sometimes, I sell put options. Sometimes I buy call and put option also. Yeah, random. His name is random name is what, huh? Adrian. Tantan, I think I have more female than male though inside my group. I think I have more female. I got a lot of chobu here. You should join, man, Tantan. You will be an asset to the team. I look at your trades, sometimes it's really not bad, that kind. Yeah, so I started that account already. Right now, I think it's about 111,000 around there. But I'm just, so busy with the course. Then, because, you guys know, right? I haven't really finished the SMC part. So, I'm still adding videos and everything. That's why I didn't, post anything about the account. But I started already. I got weak also. Can lah, no problem. Everyone female. Yeah, I think really I got more female than male inside the group though. I was a bit like, okay. But they say female, are better traders than male because they are more patient. But then the female that join the group all like super aggressive, that type. Worse than the guys. Yeah, Brenda, I also, I noticed one thing, is that I think I know why I keep getting banned already. Firstly, right, they say that I cannot, tell people what to buy and sell on live. Then secondly is that I never change my stream layout. I never, change the stream name, all that. So I need to keep changing again and again. So I think these are the two factors that keeps, making me getting banned. Yes, that one will be the publicly one. Yes. So every month I will, post the account or something like that. That's why recently I take trades. I take a little bit slower because I'm switching multiple accounts to like one, two, three accounts. Three accounts to do just a swing trade. Yeah, give. Okay lah, give not bad. I see your setup is not bad that kind, that type. But for me, right, the way you take those trade, for me that one feels more like a position trade because usually for my swing trades, the stop loss is quite small. Okay lah, penny stock. I can't teach you how to trade penny stock, but then those wave theory that you learn in the course, right, definitely can help you with penny stocks. Just that I myself, I never trade it. Yes, my stop loss for because swing trades, usually they are quite small. That's why you see AMD don't need to move a lot 1 week or something. Our RR about 1:9 already. Okay, I need to write down again, If not, I forget what I want to see today. Yeah, this should be the way. When you take a swing trade, your stop loss shouldn't be too wide. Then you should hold like maybe from a few days to a few weeks. That's like more or less the maximum. If not maximum, about 2 months around there. Then when it starts to correct, you get out. Then when it's done, you get it again. Okay, just now I was taking a look at a few instrument and then I've forgotten about it. Hiya. Oh, I rarely do soft stop loss. Mine is because sometimes like after market hours, pre-market, I don't normally look at look at the charts. It's only these few weeks after you guys join already. Then okay, I start to look at it. If not, most of the time, same thing lor. I just set alarm. If nothing triggers, then I'll wait until maybe 15 minutes before market open and I scan through everything. Yes, the wasted, your DDOG. Wow, DDOG, I think we quite wasted. Am I still inside or not? Is it DDOG? Yes, I'm still inside. I'm still inside. I think it's another one, Chewy. Chewy, the one, is it moving? No, it's still not moving, so okay. Oh, how come you stop loss now, DDOG? Did we get triggered? I never get triggered. I'm still inside. Don't forget, please. Okay, guys, today I think likely I will close off AMD. I will close off everything. Likely I will close off. Okay, we see how it goes. Yeah, sometimes it's like that, when maybe it reach very, very close to your, stop loss level, then maybe going to market close or something like that. Sometimes you will sometimes will get triggered, sometimes will not. Okay, not bad, our trades. Everything is good. Except for that CCI. CCI coming back a little bit. AMD is still going. Good. If AMD is going, then I don't think I want to book my profit already. I think I will let it run even more. Okay? So we see how it goes for AMD. AAL earnings. AAL earnings. Are you going to bet on AAL earnings? Ken, good luck, my friend. Okay, good luck. I think if you try to buy a call or something, should be not bad. Yep, should be not bad for a call, I think. Oh, yes. Oh, I also forget. I also cannot say that word, Yes, that's why random, you see, this is usually how I do swing trades. The RR are fantastic, that kind one. Even Palantir, how much is our RR? I don't even remember anymore, but I remember AMD only. Let's see where did we initially take Palantir? I think the R is so good though. Right now, the way I look at it, we reach about less than $4. So from entry until now, I think at least about 1:5 already. I think minimally. Then the AMD is fantastic. Yes, Chong Go, go, go. Okay, AMD, I might not, book my profit as of right now, but let's wait for about 100% loss rate. Today very bad, man. Today looks okay, right? It looks fine though. Not bad. The account that I started, they have 100,000. Right now about 112,000 already. Not bad, not bad. So maybe about 12% this month. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah. Our, the put option. Yeah, the put option, just let it be, huh? Just let it be. That one is more like a, hedge, and then just to limit your profit a little bit, lor. Yeah, that day I think, also green a little bit. I think so. Yeah, but quite wasted, quite wasted. Okay, our trades are doing well, my friends. Congratulations. Ho ho, BTM, chong brother. Not bad, not bad. This month I up about 12.6% now. Mostly all thanks to AMD. My AMD is super duper strong. Okay, so guys, we are at least about half the month gone already. If you have very, very good profits, remember to secure them, okay? Don't let it, go to waste. Okay, do I have any alarm? Okay, alarm triggered. Let me see. Yes, Apple is disappointing. Correct. Very disappointing. Apple has been quite garbage for a while already, since April until now, for about 3 months plus. Almost 4 months. It might be really quite soon though. Tan Tan, no, Tan Tan, he asked me, go and take a look at BTM. Then after that, I look at it, oh, I like it, I just take the trade out. Yeah, because me myself, if I don't do live stream all that, my watch list is most of the time quite stagnant. I also don't go and watch other people, in their channels or anything. I don't really go and hunt for, new trades. Maybe half a year, 1 year, I try to, refresh my watch list. Other than that, yeah, this is what I do. So my watch list is quite stagnant. Yo, this BTM fly hello, brother. 1:3 了 I think 1:3 already, right? Yeah, I think around there. Nice, nice, nice. Tesla is also moving a little bit. Fantastic. This month I'm up 13% now. Okay, need to start securing profit, and then this month can pangkang already. Okay, Tesla, fantastic. NVIDIA, wow, I almost 100% ROI on NVIDIA already, okay? $6 more, $6 more, 100% ROI. Maybe I will decide to take even more partial profit, or just close off everything. My put going up now. You buy a put for which instrument, huh? Oh, yesterday the one that you talked about, is it the what, Joby or something? Is it Joby? Your put, but then right now like going up a little, huh? So be a little bit more careful, huh? How long do you buy for? 2 weeks. Okay, I think not bad. I think it's good. 2 weeks is good. Yeah, today maybe we also need to secure some profit. Okay, so the BTM just fire off though. I think the R right now is quite good already. I think I will take off some partial profit for this BTM. Okay, right now we are 5 minutes into market open. Yeah, I think can take off some first, then just move to break even. Okay, I will also take off some profit for this BTM. Yeah, so now guys, wow, I keep logging in and out of this account until I going crazy already. So that's why recently I take trades really a lot slower. Okay, done. Yes, BTM jump to the space. Yeah, nice, nice. Yeah, all thanks to Tan Tan, huh? He gave that recommendation. It's good lah. Really, really good. That time he also gave a recommendation, I think for coin, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I also didn't really go and take a look about it. And after that, when he mentioned, I go and look. Oh, I like it. I also take it. Yes, yes. What is Pengu? Pengu. Pengu. What is that? Mr. Pengu. Huh? Oh, okay, 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 okay. This one is crypto. Okay, okay. Yeah, this I have no idea, but yeah, if you are someone, maybe a good recommendation. If you all have crypto account, can go and fund 1,000 or something, just go buy, then just have that mindset like, uh, okay, like you can totally lose that kind of money, that kind. Then I think it should be good. Yeah, I don't know what is this, but then I'll just add it inside my watch list. Okay, so maybe I'll go and start a crypto account and I go and buy $1,000, $2,000 worth of it. Then after that, we see how it goes. Yes, bro. I also hope your crypto, bro. I also hope your this Pengu can fly. Okay, maybe tomorrow I go and start a new account. Hey, grab, grab. Huh? We have to push a little bit, huh? Not a lot, but then can push a little bit. Grab, I think more upside, brother. I think more upside. Yeah, technical parts is not bad. I like it. Okay, okay. Wait, huh? Today need to manage some position. Don't let your profit go to waste, my friends. Okay? Let's see. Today what can we manage? Hmm. Okay, no problems. You. But TA really scary. Everyone look good on the chart. Then once market open, once market open, it fly. What do you mean though, Rick? Terrence, no, I do a mixture. I buy and sell stock long and short stocks quite more often than buying or selling of options. Sometimes, I do a little bit of options. Ah, yes, rode the rate, correct. Core wave, I still think downside though. I still think downside. Not ready for now. Yes, technical is something amazing. The moment you combine alert wave, you look at charts so differently that it becomes easy, that kind. Really, really easy. Like yesterday, I showed you guys, right, during the Q&A, those very, very simple move, you can more or less tell, what the stock is going to do next. Lulu, Lulu, I will still wait. I don't have a trade set up as of right now. I will still wait. I don't know whether it bottom already or not, but then I will definitely wait. You see mostly, yes, I do a lot of swing trades. I prefer swing trades more. I do day trades, but then the day trades that I do, right, I like to convert them into swing trades. If I don't see a potential of converting, right, I won't take that day trade. So this is my style, I bought before the long shot. Yes, yeah, I will short the market when the time comes, but then right now, market is still pretty strong though, I would say. Yeah, so I won't be shorting for now. But if someday, when the market is really weak and everything, definitely I will short. Oh, give Intel is flying already. Hazel, uh, her Intel is flying. Nice. I I think it's quite rare for me to trade Intel, but I do monitor it. Sometimes it gives very, very, nice setup. Then I will take it. No worries, guys. You are here. Normally the trades that we take, I think all of them are quite good. They're quite safe. I don't think you will, lose a lot of money or anything. Yes, correct. Bro, my accounts are all pit. Yes. By the way, this one is TradingView, I'm using the web version. Yeah, yesterday then I just know I've been using TradingView for so many years already. I think 10 years or something. Yesterday then I know that, they have an app. I have been using the website all along. I didn't even know they have an app. You're looking at anything today or not? I like the one that got triggered, the alarm got triggered, but then nothing though. Oh yes, the QUBT. I also like it though. I think I added into my watch list. No, I didn't add, but I like this. I want to add this. QUBT. Yeah, but for QUBT, I don't have a setup, so I will wait for a little bit more. Then SMMT. Let me see. Daily, weekly. Okay, weekly is nice. I like it. Daily, I also like it. 4 hourly, I like it. 1 hourly, I also like it. Okay. Thank you, Tan Tan. I'll add this into my watch list. Yep, so when it's ready, maybe I will try to take a trade, but I don't have a setup right now. Today, no. Yes, if you all want, really can just book off all your profits already. This month is a extremely good month, guys. Let me see AMD, huh? AMD still going up, eh? I want to book off everything for AMD, really, like, just close all the position. There's some more today, Friday, huh? And today, right, because today is the third week of the Friday, right? Yes, third week of the Friday, usually there will be more options, expiring. So you might start to see, spike up and down, all that, maybe during later hours. But today is not the triple witching, so it's still fine, I think. Yeah, Roderick, I can understand. Yesterday we Q&A all the way until 2 a.m. Hey guys, you know I can share a lot of things. Okay, during the Q&A, really, if I were to drift off of anything, right, and if you have questions to ask, just stop me anytime. Okay, just stop me anytime. And because I'm just like that. Whenever I bring someone under my wing, this is how I teach. Yeah, I sometimes my even my workers out there tell me what you share a lot of things, way too much already. But you guys need to sleep and all that. Really, just let me know, okay? Because I understand you all maybe need to go to office lah, all that. Definitely don't, because of this. After you are late for work or what. If you want to, we can split the sessions into multiple days. I'm totally fine with that. Oh, this RBLX still still going up, really, seriously. Yeah, so yesterday, what time did we start the Q&A? 11:30 all the way until 2 a.m. Serious. This is like what, 2 hours, 30 minutes though? Yeah, because they haven't reached the alert wave lessons. That's why it's very, very confusing for them. But the moment you reach there, it will be quite simple already. You see that potato head, he finished everything. Then after you look at the charts he sent the charts that he sends into the group. I'm super amazed. I feel a little bit relieved, a little bit, proud because after finishing, he can start to see all that. Then the one that he sent in, especially the JD chart, right, is something that I didn't even realize it myself until he sent it. So I was like, okay, not bad. So I think, if one of them can do it, definitely all of you can do it. What do we get to trade today, my friends? You still got margin or not? Maybe Roderick have margin, huh? Oh, no. Rick, huh? Rick, maybe you have margin. Yeah, Walmart something to consider, but not a type of instrument that I like, huh? Walmart, you move too slow already. Let me scan through one more time. Let's see, we got any opportunity or not. Okay, you still got margin. Just now I got a few alarm triggered. I will take a look shortly. Let me see I can find anything for you. If only when I live stream it's not so laggy, I can scan a lot faster though. Okay, our FTNT also doing well. So it's a good thing. Let's see what we get today. Okay, snow. Something here. Snow. Okay, so Roderick, you know how to take this trade, huh? Snow, one of it. I'll continue. Yeah, maybe like scroll all the way down towards the end. Look at those newer ones that I add into my watch list. I want to see whether got any setup or not. Possible. This one, let's see. KR. KR possible, huh? You all also can keep a watch out. Okay lah, I think not much setups though. Terrence, possible to share how do you identify your entry point? If you want to learn, you can join my course. I can, inside you will learn everything that give you an edge to actually trade the market. But then because I look at alert wave, I use alert wave to help me to identify how's the wave structure, when the huge next impulse is coming. So when I say a huge impulse is something like, I'm always looking for this type of move. That's why like my AMD right now, my risk reward maybe about 1:9, 1:10, something like that. Yeah, so maybe you risk 1%, you make about 9%, 10%, around there. Yeah, so inside my course, I will teach you all this, how to identify all the wave structures, how the market move, okay, and everything. I will give you, step-by-step process, whether, you can take the trade or not. I will also show you mistakes that I took. You can learn from my mistakes, my past experience. Those setups, they are very, very strong. So the win rates are about 70% around there. You will learn a lot, okay? You will learn price action strategy, you will learn alert wave, and then you will learn smart money concepts. So I teach you 3 different strategies just in one course alone. Then after that, no upselling or anything. In the next few months, I will add on fundamentals. I will teach you how to read like balance sheet, financial statements, all that. But then I'm not very good at it, huh? So just take it with a pinch of salt. Then I will also make videos about macroeconomics, something like interest rate, your tariff, your monetary policy, your fiscal policy, and everything. So everything will be added inside lah. Oh, Raymond, you never get into BTM. Ayo, wasted, brother. I think about 1:3 already, the BTM. Or 1:2, maybe. Now about 1:2. Wow, wasted. Okay lah, no problem. This month, good month already. Then, just secure profit lah, Okay, Baba, I like it. Okay, I like it so much. But then it just hasn't been very, very good to me lah. Yeah, China stocks, the TA, the technical parts is a little bit different from your regular, US stocks. Yep. So if you guys, wants to join my course, just drop me a DM. Okay, I welcome you into the group. The group is getting more and more amazing. I love it, man. I'm enjoying it. Then yesterday we also did a Q&A session for 2 hours 30 minutes. It's crazy though. 11:30 p.m. all the way until 2 a.m. I think I talk too much, until everybody wants to sleep already. Now no chance already lah, Raymond. Now a bit too late though. You enter now, this thing can U-turn anytime. Yeah, just wait for the next entry lah. We will always get very, very good trades. Why today China market went up? I have no idea though. Let me see. Is there any news regarding China market today or not? Let me see, Oh, maybe China got some talk, okay? I'm not too sure what is this talk about. What is this? Yeah, I think really, what is that? I don't think it's this though, but yeah, the China stocks are doing really, really well. Super well. Nice, man. Oh, that means my 2800 is also flying lah. Let's see. Yeah, I think you can hold for a little bit. Property Lee Brothers. I think you can hold for a little bit, okay? HSI make new high again, so it make a new high in this area. I do think that it can go up to about, let's see, I think about 27,000 shouldn't be much of an issue. So your tiger, your futu can all, yep, just hold them. I think it's good. Yeah, futu is okay lah. Not bad, okay? Can hold for a little bit more. End of tonight, I think tiger maybe you can target around $11.50 to about $11.60. By the way, Property Lee Brothers is also my business partner. For you, our Tesla, nice man, nice. Fantastic. Okay, AMD. Do you think we should go and close off everything or not? Let me see. Yeah, I think possible. I think I will just close off. But if I were to shift my stop loss, let me see. AMD. The last stop loss is around here. Yeah, almost getting triggered already. AMD. Yeah, we shift our stop loss to 185.5. There's not much room to breathe though. We just let it be, huh? We just let it be. And then yeah, see what AMD does after that. Okay, how's our RR for? Okay, not bad. For Tesla, not bad. Let's wait for a little bit more before we take some partial profits. Amazon not going anywhere. Google came so close to the target though. But then it didn't trigger there. Is QQQ coming down? Let's see. Yep, QQQ is, retracing a little bit. Oracle, nothing. Wow, lucky yesterday Potato saw the earnings. If not, we are so dead, my friends. Lucky he saw that Netflix has earnings. So this is also another scenario. You see, Netflix beat earnings, but then right, it came all the way down. You can go and read about the news. I can tell you why it dropped down, because future guidance is not good. Yeah, so if you read somewhere in this area, I think maybe they will say something about it. Yeah, if you want to learn about how the Netflix wave structure develops, right, you can go and take a look at potato, his chart. Then after this area, you can start to identify already. It was a very, very close call. Yes, the earnings is not bad, but then it's always the future guidance. It's not about how much they are reporting right now. The stock market doesn't care about what you did in the past. They want to know the future. It's always the future. Same like during the April period where Donald Trump announced the sweeping tariff and everything, and why the market tanked. The market tanked because everyone thought that we are going to have high inflation, we are going to go into a recession. But is there any hard data that inflation is high? Uh, and is there any data stating that we are going to go into a recession? Don't have. But then everyone, just panic and then thinks that we will go into a recession. That's why it caused that sell off. So the market is always future looking. It's not about presently right now. It's not about the past. It's always future looking. Oh, SMCI not bad, huh? It's performing, man. Okay, this XYZ went up quite a lot as well. 1160 tonight, huh? Might be a little bit tough, I think. 1160 is actually quite high though. There's got chance. Yeah, got chance, but then I think likely, right? The moment it hits about this $11.60 area, I think likely you will start to see pullback before it starts again, and pullback starts again, something like that. Wow, wasted, huh? I didn't get into any China stocks. Wow, MSTR coming down, but how come coin is still flying though? How about Bitcoin? Bitcoin is stagnant. Ethereum still going. Good. Okay, I think likely AMD will come and take our stop loss. Then we just get out everything. Good profit already, okay? Wow, Rick, I forget like, what did I ask you to look at? Just now I was scanning through quite fast. I think it was at the bottom of my watch list, right? Let me see. What did I ask you to look at? Did I type it inside the group or something? Oh, snow. Where is it? I think it's a little bit gone liao, possible. Yeah, just be a little bit careful, Rick. Be a little bit more careful. So you know how to use the fib already, right? Go and use the fib. Okay, go to the daily. Look at this part. Look at this part. Go and use the fib. Yeah, I think maybe next week onwards, there might be some correction coming into the market. Cannot forever we go up like that though. Maybe a slight correction or something. Now, Yeah, some of the stocks, they are pulling back. Oh, by the way, I want to shift stop losses. I forget. I want to shift stop losses. Okay, the very first one definitely is BTM. We can shift it to break even already. What am I looking at? Where did we enter? Okay, just shift to break even. I'll also shift mine. Okay, done. We'll go and take a look at the next one. See whether we can shift anything or not. Today is a Friday, so be a little bit more cautious, okay? Uh, yeah, CCI we also can shift. Now, CCI possible we can take some partial profit or not. No, just don't take yet. Don't take any partial profit. Let's see, where can we shift to? I want to give it a bit of room to breathe. Quantum skip. Bro, you have the ticker? You have the ticker for that, quantum skip. Give me a moment. I'm managing my positions. I'm shifting stop losses. So, I can get out of the trades. Palantir, I also don't give it so much room to breathe anymore. Okay, I will shift Palantir as well. 152. Okay, next. FTNT, can we shift on FTNT? Oh, definitely. Our entry is not bad, I think. Okay, let me see. Okay, I think I let it move a little bit more first before I shift. DDOG leh. DDOG is good. Okay, NVIDIA. I want to see NVIDIA. One. I think I also want to tighten up for NVIDIA is. Okay. Okay, lastly is Tesla. Okay, let me see that one first. What quantum skip? Is that like a stock or something? Quantum skip. QS. Okay, looks good. Something that I can, add into my watch list. It looks good though. I like it. Maybe there are more upside to go. QS. Okay, now time for me to shift my own stop losses also. Okay, guys, give me 2 minutes, because I need to switch 3 accounts as of right now. Wow, I shift my stop loss and I'll go crazy. Oh. So many. I keep switching here and there, here and there. Okay, later on then I will, go and shift more stop loss for my wife's account. I'm tired though. Shift all this is like super tiring. Okay. Property Lee brother. I think you should sell some, Should sell some. Because Tiger is where is Tiger? I think you should. It's almost there already. Sell some first, then after that, see what it does after that. From here. Yeah, I think you can try half first. Half, yes. Hello, AI. Got so much, man. Actually, if... Oh yeah, Monday you not around already, right? Monday you already fly off. Hey, you screenshot and send to me, can or not? You screenshot and send to me. You send to me now. I take a look for you. Okay, let me see. Okay, let me see. I go back again. One moment. New stimulus announcement. Oh, nice. Brother, I think maybe you want to try holding for a little bit. Got new stimulus announcement. Yeah, I think maybe, next week or something. Yes, correct. Yeah, I think you can hold for a little bit. Then next week you ask me again, can? If not now or something, you can try to exit a little bit, just a little bit, maybe 30% or something. $12, I think a bit higher. $12 likely you need to wait until next week already. It won't be today. Likely won't be today. The market, more or less no momentum already. Almost 1 hour has passed. Yeah, this 1 week or 2 weeks, after 1 hour, the market just suddenly no momentum. Yeah, I think next week you can ask me again. If you want, you can, exit maybe 30% or something. Okay, NVIDIA got triggered. Okay, NVIDIA, we are out. Officially out of NVIDIA. Thank you. Nice lah, friend. AMD also Okay, nice. Okay lah, we secure very good profits already, okay? My hiam, huh? It's really amazing profits. Okay, we are officially out of every for NVIDIA. So NVIDIA, we are out at wait, let me see again. 11.5. Yes, correct. Around 11.5. You can try to exit a little bit. I think NVIDIA, our RR is also high, right? Uh, 172.5. NVIDIA, we never took partial profits along the way. Okay. What lah, Tan? What lah? I only remember AMD, okay? AMD, I know 1:9, 100%. AMD. AMD we exit right here. Oh, I forgot to write. Damn. Okay. Nice work, my friends. Good man. Hot lah. Tan also hot already. Super happy. The BTM fly like crazy. Nice. Okay, the Magnificent looks like they are coming down a little. Am I right? Guys, actually, we have quite a good week for. We have a. How long already? Let me see. Since start of the month, somewhere here, this area, SPY is up about 1.63%. And we have been going up for about 3 weeks now. Consider going up lah. So if you do have any, very good profits, you can decide to book even more. Netflix, nothing. Okay, guys, I will use the washroom, okay? Discipline, man. Every time around this timing, I need to go to the toilet, okay? One moment. I'll be back 2 minutes. Okay, I'm back. Oh, so many things, all coming down. My God. Okay, let's see. Hey, beach boy. Long time no see. You sold half. Okay, good. I think you make a good move, huh? I think you make a good move. Yeah, guys, today is normal. Usually, the third week of the Friday, there will be a lot of options expiring. So, we are starting to see a little bit of sell off. Okay, I want to take off my Tesla trade. I will close everything. I don't want to wait anymore. Just secure some profit. And that's it. Okay, I will exit Tesla. Okay, done. So many people, never mind. Later, see how. Can, no problem, beach boy. If you don't ask now, next time my live stream will get more and more people. Maybe someday will become 100, 200, okay? So you didn't have to ask now. Okay, I think, so sorry, guys, I forget about, the live stream chat again. Okay, lucky you all never asked me any question, huh? Oh, my update position is wrong, Really? Oh, never mind. We close off everything already, Random. No problem lah. Today is Friday. TGIF, guys. Go and play game. Go and play ML. Okay, maybe I will also end the live stream a bit earlier. I look at the market. I also really like. Okay lah. This month very very good profits already. So we have secured almost. You see, this move we secure how much? 80% of the move. Simple, just by moving your stop losses, guys. You secure 80% of the move. Market pullback, nothing to worry. We get out, secure profit, move on. Next week we come back again. Go and find setups again. Can ABVV, can I see for you? Alert wave more downside. Let me see. Okay, so you can see, right, normally I like to start on the monthly time frame if I can. So monthly is definitely an uptrend. Then I go down to the weekly. Okay, we make a very new top over here. So possible, right? When I go to daily, possible, I think there is more downtrend. This one looks like, I would say maybe you will see something like this, then one more leg down. Yeah, this is a complex corrective structure. Random, I got out already. I closed off everything for Tesla. Did I close off everything? Oh, did I type wrongly? Let me see, one moment. Where's the Tesla trade? Correct, I closed off everything now. I just close it off only. Yeah. I exited everything for Tesla. Let me see, did I type wrongly or not? No, correct. Oh, I think just now when I was shifting my stop loss, right, I think... Oh, TP wrong, No. Tesla, the TP is correct. The time I put 370 is correct, but then I don't think I want to hold it anymore. So I exit Tesla. Next week we'll hunt for trades again, okay? Friday, usually some sell-off is very, very normal. Let's see the rest, those that we are still holding. Anything that we need to manage or not. Since we have already, shift our stop losses. I think nothing much for us to do. DDOG, okay. FT, FTNT. FTNT is also fine. It's also doing okay. Let me do a refresh again. Eh? What happened? Why like that? Oh, okay. Oh shit, I keyed the wrong ticker. I understand already. I understand. Okay, I will delete the wrong one. Oh, I know why liao. Because I was doing for AMD, I think. Yeah, I keyed the wrong one. Thank you. I keyed in the wrong one again. So sorry, my friend. AMD we got out already. Yeah, thank you, random, thank you. I noticed my mistake. Thank you. Johnson, one day don't do mistake. Like, it's not me anymore. Okay, now it's correct. Yep, it's correct. Palantir, how's Palantir? Let me see Palantir. Hello, Braveheart. Yeah, you understand can already, okay? That's sometimes I will key wrong, Okay, Palantir, I think we are also out. Almost there already. I went already. I went to the toilet already, my friend. Why? Every time before I start live stream, I go to the toilet first. Then 1 hour only, I need to go toilet again. Maybe there's some issue with me. Guys, I drink a lot of water, I drink like super a lot of water. You see, I bring like one whole big bottle in. You see, both of them left like that only. Both left like, like less than only 1/4 maybe. Live streaming, I use a lot of energy. I need to monitor the chats. I need to monitor my live stream. I need to, answer questions, reply to questions, monitor my own trades. And now I got 3 trading accounts. My own account in Interactive Broker. I got Momo. I got my wife's account. I got 3 trading accounts to manage. How can it not be stressful, okay? I'm using a lot of energy. My brain need to shung, move here and there extremely fast. Okay, one moment, Okay, y'all can play game, really. Y'all go and play game, TGIF. Play game, relax. Then after that, tomorrow, then study the lessons. Y'all have, Saturday, Sunday. Take your time to study. Chronicle, Oh, can ABV, ABBV, right? Likely on the 4 hours as of right now. I will. Let me see, this part. Okay, likely I think there will be more downside. I think downside to here. This will be the first one that I look at. Potato, understand? So I want to see this first. If I don't see this, it will be quite difficult for me to buy though. Yeah, unless, on the 1 hour we get a setup somewhere in this area, maybe can be a good one. Yeah, this stock, right, I will definitely wait for a little bit. Maybe 1 week or something, 1 week to 2 weeks before I can really tell where is it going. So I'll be a little bit more cautious on this. Okay, Johnson, sorry, I mean in general, because you said there are certain flat you don't bother forecasting. Oh, I will forecast the regular flat more often, the regular one. Yes, just forecast the regular one. Potato. Don't need to do anything complex. Okay, in Eller Wave, right, a lot of times you more or less you can have a gauge where it will go, but then you need to wait for it to develop to give you that confirmation before you even take that trade. So remember Meta. Meta, it looks, classic example that, it fulfills a lot of our criteria and everything. It came to support, but why I told you not to pick the bottom, right, is the reason is simple because Meta is going through a trial, a $8 billion trial. So just on that news itself, even, it fulfills our rule for a bottom and everything, we see the wave structures, but then I will not pick the bottom because of that news. I will wait. And then if you were to look, right, I would also like to do a correlation to SPY. I like to see what SPY is doing. So if SPY is going up, but then Meta is dropping, that's a big red flag already. Because Meta is the Magnificent Seven. So by right, it should follow SPY. But if it doesn't, that's when I think it gets even more dangerous. Just imagine when SPY is going up, Meta is going down. And then if right now SPY really top at this area and then SPY starts to tank very badly, right? What happened? What do you think will happen to Meta? Meta can tank even faster. So although I sold a put option, but then that put option is extremely risky. So I didn't, ask you guys to sell it together with me. So normally I just forecast very, very simple structures. Nothing, complex at all. Just a simple one will do. Then we wait for the wave structure to develop. Once it develops already, you will get a good idea, right, where it will likely go to. You understand, Potato? Did I answer your question? Okay, Rick, you never say when did you expose your true self to your wife? Oh, my love story, huh? Yes, Rick, that one is the most common one. I will always forecast something very, very, just one leg only. Most of the time, I forecast one leg only. Although I can more or less tell, how likely there are many different type of complex character structure it can develop. But don't need to forecast too much because when you forecast too much, right, it will give you analysis paralysis. That's why usually I take, only one leg or one move. After that, how to take the trade, all that, go according to plan. Okay, don't take the trade because of your forecast. I know, the FIB levels, they are like so accurate, that kind, but then just don't use that purely just to pick a bottom or pick a top. Even for SPY, why it has been such a long time, since like start of the month, I can make a video and I tell you, likely you'll come to about 630 to about 632. So 630 is around here, right? 630 is right at the top right here. And then it can come to about 632 because I use the FIB. Just because of that FIB, I already know where it can go to. But do you see me, try to pick the top and then I try to short something? I don't. I always wait for confirmation. Trust me, when you wait for confirmation, right, you will never ever be late. I can show you a very good example on Crowd. Okay, Crowd random told me, somebody go and buy this. But do you see me going? Because Crowd coming down like that, have a very huge impulsive move to the downside, you won't see me trying to pick the bottom to buy. I will always wait for confirmation. Because why? Yesterday we were talking about this, right? Just look at this. Where do you think likely it can go to? So do you want to pick the bottom? And we SPY at such high levels already, really such high levels. If you go and look back at the market update video from I think start of the month, I have been talking about this 630 already. So it has finally hit my very close, really very close. I think the highest it went to is about 629.5 around there. So that's when I get very, very defensive. I will not pick the bottom to, try to buy something. Unless when the market like go in sync, right? I think it will be better. Okay, matcha, one moment. ASTS. ASTS. Weekly chart first. Definitely upside, but then just be a bit more cautious. I think that might be some pullback coming in already. Okay, so you might start to see pullback. Oh, can. You can see my crowd, definitely. Nah, I put on the 4 hours. You can definitely take a look. Yes, I understand potato. It's confusing to use alert wave initially. That's why I give you, very specific structures to look at. You don't have to really know where the direction it will goes to, all that. I will provide you that update. Then as months goes by or weeks goes by, right, you see how I analyze the market, more or less you will get the hang of it already. Because a lot of times I will start from very high time frame, but the high time frame, I think the next Q&A lesson, right, we can dive in deeper, because yesterday I think you went to bed a little bit early, After that, things starts to get a little bit, I think, more interesting. I show them how I forecast this and that. Yeah, the next Q&A, I try to, show you more. Yeah, just let me know when you guys, wants to do a Q&A again, we can definitely do one. I would recommend that you start on the highest time frame if possible. Then after you slowly break down to the lower time frame. Always start from the highest. Like crowd. One look yesterday, I think I was breaking down crowd for you guys, is it? I can't remember anymore. So if you look at crowd, just on the weekly time frame, very likely you're going to hit for a correction already. Then after you drop down to daily gives you even more confirmation in this area. Okay. Then after that, you just go down to the 4 hours. 4 hours, you can see you have one leg coming down already. Okay. So you can slowly go down. Then after you just take a look at hourly, see what is it doing on the hourly. So, but then you want to take any trade, go according to plan. Oh, the 1 hour random 1 hour, you want to see something like that. Oh wait, I think this one, nope, don't need to adjust. Yeah, all of you, go and buy a cheap microphone or something. We all can chat, we all can talk. There will be a lot of Q&A lah. Huh? When the group gets larger and larger, there will be really a lot of Q&A. You like the facilitator yesterday? Who was the facilitator? Me. Yeah, random. Go and buy a mic. Hey, the headphone, I don't know got mic or not. I really don't know. Yeah, buy a cheap mic that type. Don't need to buy something expensive. Yes, I will. Potato, I will definitely. Yeah, maybe I also can do more videos to show you guys how I forecast. Yeah, you just drop me any random chart that you want. Just give me a ticker. I will go and do a video. Not really. You are trading. You are trading for a small impulse, possibly. But then sometimes, because even if we know wave structure all that, right, we might also be wrong. We might be wrong at times. You can take a small trade and then just move your stop loss, a bit faster. Move it to break even. Don't need to, wait until it reach about 1:2, 1:3, then you start to move to break even. You can shift your stop losses earlier. I will always do that. Because you can see, right, a lot of times I shift my stop loss quite fast, that kind. Even after it moved maybe a bit 1:1 or something, I just shift it to break even. Why I always do that is whenever I'm not so confident in, the market direction now that, or I think that we are going for a larger correction, I will definitely tighten my stop loss as soon as possible. I rather take the break even than to take the loss. Oh, okay. To be honest, I didn't see that though. Because a lot of times, I never nowadays I don't. I'm lazy lah. I like to just treat the normal flat pattern. All that. I'm so lazy to dive deep into the chart and then to look at each individual structure. So when just now when you sent that right, I was really amazed though that you spot that. It was amazing, really amazing. That if you can spot that is, I can tell you, you're going to be able to forecast the market quite soon already, almost there. That's why I taught you the forecasting lesson like way at the back, because you need to understand all the structures first. You need to understand the rules. You also need to understand how to use MACD to help you to identify them. So a lot of times I'm only looking at all these structures, but then I will also be looking at where the impulse starts from. So the very first impulse is the most important one. Actually, I can use AirPods lah. Okay lah, random. Then you use your AirPods, okay? We need to chat more inside the group. And the Q&A is fun though. I like it. But you all have to ask me more questions, okay? If not, you all need to talk more. The more you talk, the more I understand, like what are you looking at? Because if you don't talk, then I will just say whatever I want to. Then I might not have answer your question. No worries, random. You can also ask the more basic stuff. Yeah, sorry. Yesterday I think I went a bit too advanced, so I also realized that. Okay, so I need to cater to your stage first, rather than telling you all the very very advanced things. Yeah, sorry, random. Sorry about that. Yeah, if you have time, try to speed up. Then after finish the Wave lessons, things will get amazing for you. Like potato, he can start to ask me this and that already. It's good though. This is actually how we learn, because sometimes uh, maybe because of my own laziness, I forecast things very very simple. Then I also don't really go very in depth into the chart. I will speed through everything, and more or less I already know what trades to take. But then some of the patterns that doesn't appear very very often, then I don't really go in depth and go and analyze them, unless I sit down, maybe I spend a little bit more time. Definitely can identify all those. Because if you all do notice, the trades I take are all the simple ones. But then you can see, right, just simple forecast, the risk reward are very very high. Apple, let me see Apple. Yes, of course. If you are talking about this 1 hour time frame, this area, right? Definitely. You look at how it's developing. Yesterday, I also showed you something, right? Remember B wave? So if you remember B wave, this should be something like that already. So it's simple as that, okay? You just forecast one leg will do. But because whatever that I taught you, right, you need to use them in combination. You also need to go and see the correlation in SPY, and then you go and take a look at VIX, look at your RSI, and everything else. Go and look at all of them, and then you come to a decision whether will it become a good trade or not. Yes, Rick. The more people ask questions, the more you will learn though. Like on live stream, when no people ask me questions, I also keep quiet. I just do my own thing. Yes, correct. Potato, correct. Normally, I see those three wave patterns more. But wave theory, right, it becomes really powerful when you combine everything. Especially this part of the lesson. Let me show it to you, huh? Now got 68 lessons, yeah. Nice. By the time I think I finished 80 lessons already. Okay, this is where from this moment, okay, the lesson starts to, you need to combine everything, right? From this moment where I teach you what is a single wave. You need to identify, the charts part by parts. Don't straight away jump in and look at the latest data. Go and find where's the swing high, where are the swing lows, and then identify each individual waves slowly all until our current data. So you should be doing that, not skipping right away to, the current data, looking at only the current data. Then after this lesson onwards, all the way until the technical indicators, until the position management area. So even this area, I teach you, how to read complex corrective structure. I tell you how to forecast the direction. After these two, right, then you can go back to possible, using RSI, all that, help you to identify when we have a change of trend, how to identify a change of trend early, when the market will top, when it will bottom. And lastly is how you actually manage your positions with wave theory. Let me know which part you're confused. I can make more videos. Okay. Yes, you definitely. Wave is not a very, very simple type of technical analysis. But when you can see it already, right? At least potato, not bad. I can tell you, you are really not bad. You are in the course for 3 days only. 3 days, you can identify ending diagonals where I didn't even see myself. I can tell you, you are doing very, very good job already. So take your time, take a little bit of time. You'll be inside this course for a long, long time. Then after that, I will have a lot of market update videos. We'll have a lot of Q&As. Just come for every sessions if you can. Then wherever you need help, just send inside the group. Just give yourself 1 month, 2 months. I think you can see charts as fast as I do already. Yes, definitely. Sometimes I can tell you market structure device until so complex that I don't even bother, go and reading them. Although I can, but the first thing that I do, right, skip. Don't even bother. Don't even try. You're just wasting your time. For example, okay, there's one stock that time. I use it for. Okay, look at this. Let me go down to the daily chart. Daily chart, right? You look at match. You look at match. Match is like inside this sideways zone since January 2023. This is like 2 years, 2.5 years already. So the moment you see charts like that, skip. Don't even bother analyzing. Don't waste your time unless you understand the fundamental of the company. You really see a potential in them, then go and analyze. If not, for trading, right, straight away skip. Don't waste your time. I can read all this wave structure, but then I just can't be bothered. I also don't want to waste my time, looking at a chart that doesn't move. You chop sideways, don't go up a lot, then pull back, don't go up a little bit, pull back, go up a little bit, pull back, or go down a little bit, pull back. Then you look at this move, you look at this move. Like from the low here to here, you only move about 20% in 70 days. Easily, you can go and find better charts like, Palantir. Palantir, if you measure a 70 days period, I don't know where is 70 days. Okay, you see agak here. Palantir moves 67% as compared to Match. Match in 75 days, it only moves 20%. So I don't waste my time looking at this type of chart. The first thing I see is skip. Let me see what stock is this. Okay, yes. During this period of time for HSI, right? HSI is a little bit more different because I also look at macroeconomics, which I haven't really touched on that topic. But then why HSI during that period? Let me try to find where are you looking at. Yeah, I think you are looking at. No, where is this part? 4 hours. Let me see. 4 hours. Which part are you looking at though? Oh, okay. If you look at this, right, this is actually a simple flat pattern only. It's a very, very simple flat. Yeah, inside the Q&A, I can show you more. If not, later on, I can draw more for you. Although it looks complex, but it's a simple one. Maybe you have about 2 degrees. Yeah, the Adler wave lessons, I believe you all will need to watch a few times to have a better understanding. Then along the course, I will do more market update videos. Then I show you how I forecast the market, what I'm looking at. I try to go into more details. It will definitely help you. 2024. 4 hours. 20. May. Oh yes, this one, right? If you just go up to the daily, I believe this one is just a simple 3-wave only, if I'm not wrong. Yes, correct. If you go up to the daily, you can see that it's a simple, maybe 2-degree 3-wave. So the higher time frame is very, very helpful. That's how I break down right into each individual subwave easily. I always start from the highest time frame. Yes. Just go to the daily and then you try to identify. Go to the daily. You have seen this video, right, where I teach you, how to identify what is a single wave. So start, okay, I tell you what to do, You look over here. The moment you are inside, right, you know that this one is the top. Don't straight away look at this whole thing like that, okay? Look like candles by candles, candles by candles, slowly go down all the way until the bottom here. Don't jump right into it. The moment you jump right into it, will be a little bit maybe difficult for you to learn. But if you go part by parts, will be much more easier. Yes, even the last, photo that you sent for HSI, beside you have like that flat pattern, right? Yeah, that one is good though. That one is the most simplest form already. There's only 1 degree, but then the part that you circle in yellow, right? That one minimally, I think you have about 3 degree. Yeah, that's why it looks a little bit more complex, but then it's still a flat pattern. There's 3 degree inside. Yeah, that's why I tell you, go and do the assignment, because that assignment, right, I will see, how much is your understanding, because that assignment is to identify a complex variety structure with a 3 different degree. So you see 3 different subwaves. Subwave. Okay, Ken, potato, good. Quick, do it. Do the chart. Do already, then show it to me. Okay, just try. Slowly analyze part by parts. And remember in those videos, I teach you how to use this vertical line, right? So you go and make full use of these vertical lines. So you can break down each individual parts, and that's how you look at different degrees and what type of complex character structure is developing within one move. Go and use that, okay? Don't jump right into the chart. The moment you jump in, you might not be able to see it so well, but when you start to break down slowly, part by parts, right, you will definitely be able to see it. Just follow those very simple rules. I taught you about B wave, just follow, what I taught you for B wave. Then how A wave should look like, how C wave should look like, just follow accordingly. You should be fine. Okay, market seems like they are pulling back a little today. And potato, if any point of time you don't really know like how to look at some charts or something, just let me know where you stuck at, okay? And then you try your best to identify them, send it inside the group. Then if I think that it's way too off, right, I will do a video and show you how I forecast, how I look at how those corrective structures, how they develop. Okay, our what BTM BTM or BMT? BTM BTM break even 了. Okay lah, at least we secure some profits. Yo, my god. BTM. Oh, just now we should have closed everything. I think it was about 1:3 though. But okay, at least secure some profit is also not good. Something like a 1:1, just take it and go. Okay guys, if you all, wants to learn about alert wave, can come and join my course. Okay, I will teach you how to forecast the market. Drop down for you to enter. One thing drop down for me to enter. Random. One thing drop down. What thing is dropping down, guys? No risk, potato. How Raymond, not random, it's Raymond. Yeah, guys, this is how it works. The more you ask, the more you will learn. Yeah, don't need to be, shy or anything. Just type everything inside. Yes, market going down liao. Correct. Lucky we secure our profits, huh? Good job, guys. Good job. This month, good money out. Okay, don't stress. Market has been going up very strongly for how many months? April until now is about April, March, June, 3.5 months already. Yes, Raymond, don't stimulate the economy, huh? You need to rob from the economy. This month you up about 3.6%. Okay, not bad. This month I up about 12% plus already. Yes, this month not bad. Yeah, but I think partly because of AMD. AMD, the RR is high though. 1:9. Okay. Like the purple trend line versus the yellow. Okay, I will use the purple. Yeah, I will use the yellow one. Then at the same time, right? Can you see that your A wave over there? That one might turn into your higher degree A wave, and then your B, C, right, might turn into a lower degree 3-wave structure. After that, once it's complete already, you will have a one higher degree B wave. Okay, right at the current data, right at the current data high. After that, what do you get? Maybe you can forecast one more impulse to the downside. You understand? Because normally, right, if it's a simple 3-wave correction, normally you will just see the firing off right away, but it didn't. It actually came down all the way. So maybe you are developing into something complex for your B wave. As in percentage, you risk. Yes, I risk 1% or 0.5% on my account. Then total, right, my capital this month is up about 12% plus. Yeah, even I started the new 100K account, right? Right now it's about 112,800 around there. So this month make about 12K already, just on that 100K account. That one I will post it to the public lah. So maybe by end of the month, I will show the result. Okay, let me try this. I have never tried that before. One moment. Oh, okay. I understand now. Uh, but how to do that, huh? Oh, you understand what I mean or not? Potato. Do you understand? No. If 100K, you only buy about 1K, because 1% is 1K, right? You don't buy $1,000 worth of shares, but then you buy according, you are risking, right, from your entry until your stop loss, you are risking $1,000. And then based on that stop loss distance, right? If 1K, your stop loss distance is, let's say, for example, $5. So 1K divided by 5, you can buy roughly about 200 shares. So maybe the stock dropped from $100 to $95, you will lose $1,000 on your account. So this is the 1%. Yeah, it's always the stop loss distance for me. It's not how many shares I buy or that. It depends on how large is my stop loss. The larger it is, the lesser shares I can buy. The smaller it is, I can buy more shares. Yeah, is the stock price, uh, even if you say you raise 1% and then it's $1,000, right? I don't use that $1,000 to buy shares. So for example, like Amazon you see is about 224. So just keep it simple, huh? We say that it's 250. If you based on that $1,000, you can only buy 4 shares though. Then there's no meaning already. That's why we use margin account. Okay, Potato, I send you this inside the group. You have a look. Yes, that's why you wait. You don't forecast something that is complex. You wait. Wait for it to tell you before you make your next move. Yes, you will never know when it will turn into a complex corrective structure. So a lot of times we will be waiting for it to become clearer. When it becomes much more clearer, like this stock, right? That's when you can do a forecast like that. I always wait for almost completing everything before I even make the forecast. Because you just need to tell yourself, you don't know what will happen to you don't know what will happen to the market, and market sentiment can change abruptly. This is what I always tell myself. That's why a lot of times you'll see me, waiting for this and that because I'm waiting for the confirmation. Without the confirmation, I will not, like go ahead of myself, then try to think that it will do this and that. I rather, I see it developing already, then I start to forecast. Okay, can BGI. Okay, Potato, I come back to you shortly. BGI, I think still going down though. No, yep, doesn't looks like there's any strength for upside. Uh, BGL. BGL. Yeah, still downside for me. I don't see that upside as of right now. Yep, I scanned through already. Yep, I don't see that as of right now. I would only be interested when it comes to about 13.50 around there. $13.50 around there. Yes, 13.5 around there. No. This one I won't skip. This one is not so complex. This one I won't skip. This one I will look at it. Yeah. Walmart, you can definitely look at it. When I say complex, is like which one? Which chart looks like garbage that type? Let me see. I try to find one for you that really looks like garbage. The first thing you should do is totally just skip it. Let me see whether can I find one or not. Uh, all my watch lists all not bad leh. Because I filtered them already. Then after that, before I add them into my watch list, so to find a really sideways stocks is, do you have something that is super sideways? Okay. I know already. We go to STI. Okay, the history of STI. Oh, Canoe ha, Canoe can we go and take a look at Canoe? At Canoe, the ticker is what? Oh, this is it this? No, this one should be this. Okay, maybe some. No leh, this one is like, this one a bit 夸张了哈。Canoe skip STI. Let's see. Okay, STI. If we go up to the weekly, right? The weekly, if you see from this portion, okay, let me shift the line a little bit so you can actually see the high, and to around this portion. Like if you just look at my screen, right, this portion is like, it's not going anywhere at all. You know, when I see something like that, I don't even bother, go and forecast. The first thing I do is to skip. Like if you go down to the daily, it's even worse though. You look at the daily like it's so complex, too complex already. That's why whatever that you learn in the price action strategy, also don't forget, they are very, very helpful. They help you to identify the trends, so that help you to, filter out those nonsense stock that you shouldn't even be looking at. Because the moment you look at them, you'll be wasting a lot of time. You want to find something that are so easy to trade. Yes, brother, correct. What you're looking at here is correct. Yes. So it's as simple as that. Don't need anything, complex that kind. The moment you see those stock that goes ranging sideways that kind, trust me guys, don't bother go and read them. You're just wasting your time. You're going to make your life so miserable. They are going to be so difficult to trade. Oh, and don't forget those lessons that you have learned in the price action strategy, because they help you to filter those nonsense trade. Okay, Roderick, zigzag, right? Don't even bother learning. Trust me, don't bother learning. You'll also be wasting your time to learn zigzag. Okay, so this is one of the lesson where I will, this lesson 21. This lesson 21 is the place I show you zigzag. And I can tell you, most of the time it doesn't work. Yes, don't. That's why like a lot of things that I use in Alert Wave is very, very different from the book. Because I have tested them myself. You can go and test even following Alert Wave, Ralph Nelson Alert teaching, you will start to notice that it doesn't work. How many years? Around 6 to 7. Oh, you mean in trading or my own life, like my career or my businesses, all that? Oh, trading about 6 to 7 years, around there. Yeah, I'm not those like super aggressive type, like go and trade those leverage instruments or look for those big wins. I don't have that type of mindset. Mine is consecutive, like a consistency. I believe in consistency. Don't need to. Uh, because my risk is very, very small. I can say that I risk like 0.5%, 1% only. I don't risk a lot that kind. And the trades that I take are all very safe also. So for me to send inside a group, I think is fine. But then to ask me to take something very high risk, right? It can be dangerous though. I make from okay. A lot of the funds, right, that comes from for my business, I didn't pump into my trading account. I pump everything into my long-term investment account. So I just buy shares, buy VO, I hold for very, very long that time. So the money I make from the business, I pump into VOO and long-term stocks. But for my trading account, I have never, I, I think the max I pump in maybe 50K or something. Then after that, I just consistently grow it over and over again. Yes, yes, correct. What random said is also correct. Yeah, so I always diversify my funds. Like I don't just do trading all that though. I buy like those endowment plans and everything. So this is to diversify your portfolio. You don't, just stick to one source of income. Even for trading, you can make a lot of money. But what if I ask you just what if suddenly you lost your eyesight because you got eye cancer or something? You know? Then can you still trade or not? You cannot. But then you have your, investment plans with your insurance, you have your endowment plan and everything. At least you still got passive income coming in. So I always believe in multiple source of income. Anything can happen in life. Yes, potato. I just got to know only. I just got to know from random. I just got to know maybe 1 month ago or something. Yeah, anything can happen in life. Even if you're a civil servant now that who knows, maybe someday you're so stressed, you do something wrong and then suddenly you get sick. You're a healthcare worker. Okay, also like铁饭碗, you won't die. The hospital 100% won't sick you. COVID period, they need you more than you need them. But who knows, one day maybe your health deteriorate all that. Can you still take care of your patient or not? Many things can change though. Yeah, even for me, like I'm doing live streaming here. Who knows, someday I get maybe a throat cancer or something. I can no longer speak. How do I do live stream? It's also the same thing. That's why in life, there are many things that are unpredictable. So I never see a single thing as guaranteed. Yeah, even when I buy stocks in them long term, I don't hold them for like 10 years, 20 years, that type. To be honest, you just go and look at Warren Buffett. He's the legendary investor. Like he himself, he don't even, hold stocks for 10 years, 20 years. Only a few of them. Me, I'm not Warren Buffett though. I'm Johnson Pang, okay, a retail trader. I don't have vision, to hold a stock for 10 years. 6 months, 2 years, okay. Anything more than 2 years, I don't have that foresight. For me, no matter how strong the company it is, someday someone will take over them. It's as simple as that. No one will be, the boss or the leader in this world forever. There's no such thing as forever. Oh, you all come from there, really? I'm shocked though. Oh, okay, okay, okay. I thought all of you from there though. No, no, no. Because my students, a few of them came from another group, so they were talking about it lah. Yeah, I don't think it's nice, go and say which group they came from or that. Yeah, for me, I just do my own thing, I don't need to go and gossip all that lah. Oh, really? Yeah. I don't know though. I don't know. I yeah, I also don't know how you all tell. Some of you, before you join, you tell me, yes, you from the other group, and then you are not doing well and everything. Uh, okay lah. I also, never joined before. I can't really, talk much about it. But when you come here, my goal is to groom you. Like, you need Q&A and everything. Just let me know. Yeah, in life, there are many options. You can choose to join these people, join that people. You can choose whoever you wants to be a mentor. I also used to have a mentor, even in career, in business, in trading, everything. I have a mentor. Mentor will be a good one, to give shorten your path lah. You scale up much more faster. You learn the skeleton, then after that you do it. You create into your own style. Your hub got join. Oh, okay, guys, you all have to help me write review, okay? But then I still have no idea where to ask you guys to write review, because my main focus right now is, to finish the course as soon as possible, and then next is to groom you guys. So the review platform, I haven't even go and search for one. Where for you guys to write a review? I have to go and research, huh? Okay lah, potato. I see that you're enjoying is really really good. Just give yourself, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, you will really start to change. Because I see a lot of people that join me previously, maybe in my career, my business, all that. They also give themselves about 3 months to 6 months. All that, some of them they fly even higher than me. Sorry, guys, on TikTok, the students are all chatting, inside the group chat, and they are like spamming that kind. I have 53 unread messages. Yes, yes. What random say is correct. You can't make everyone like you for sure, huh? So, like me on live stream, definitely there are also people who don't like me. Am I right? Once in a while, we see a troll. Actually, paying for courses, right, is not a bad thing though. I have attended so many courses, not just because of trading. I entered, I've went to, courses about personal finance, about accounting, about businesses, all that. All of them, I paid for it. Even before I started live streaming, I also paid for a 3,000 USD uh, course to teach me how to start a YouTube channel, teach me how to, set up my equipments and everything. It really shortened my path by a lot though. Rather than, I go to YouTube, then go and watch every single video for 10 minutes, and everyone is just like copying one another. That one was seriously a waste of time. That's why I would, all these mentors, the groups that I join, other than trading, they have helped me a lot in my life. Okay, you wouldn't be like their level. Like for me, I attended the YouTube course so that I also, I don't see myself having like 500k followers on YouTube, like the one that I joined, or he has like 1 million followers. I don't see that though. I only see it as a skeleton for me to start with. Okay, easily and fast. Then I don't have to spend too much time go and wonder, how to set up live stream, what equipments I need, and how to set up a website, all that. So just from the course alone, I learned a lot. Okay, guys, I need to use the toilet again. I think today I drink too much water, huh? So you all wait for me later, okay? If you all have any questions on live stream, just ask. Okay, I come back and answer you shortly. Bye bye. Okay, guys, I just received a message asking whether will I break down, right? Like those very cheap terms that I use on live stream together with my students. Of course, I will, okay? Inside the trading course, I'll break down so simple that you will start to understand, okay? So, don't worry about that part. Wow, lucky I came back in time, eh. I almost get banned for 1 day already. Wait, I failed the verification. One moment. Why like that? Huh? Hey guys, die liao. Okay, I can verify. Lucky. Oh, oh, lucky. Oh, I almost okay. It's okay. Okay, tomorrow is a weekend, so even if I get banned or something, it's okay lah. I don't care. Hello, I love cherry. Yeah, so just now I received a text asking whether those terms that I mentioned over here in live stream is it being taught in the course. Yes, it will be taught in the course. I'll break down so simple, and there will be pictorials, all that for you to see. Even something like, then I give you the basic of Elliott wave theory. After this basic, right, I will teach you, how to identify certain type of corrective structure and how do I do them. I will give you, image for you to download so you can keep it. They are very, very good image. After that, I will teach you how to read all those corrective structures. So there are a lot of corrective structures. So for triangle itself, you're going to learn 8 different types of triangles, not just your symmetrical triangles only. You are going to learn 8 different types. Okay, so there are also picture for you to download. I show you a uptrend triangle, a downtrend triangle, then different types like symmetrical, expanding, running, ascending, descending triangle. So there are really a lot. Then I also teach you how to break down into a single wave, because of Elliott wave nature is very advanced. So one wave can develop into 5 wave. Okay, then 5 wave can develop into 8, 13, 16, I think 23 wave lah. 5 wave can develop into 23 wave and things like that. So I will teach you how to identify what is a single wave. I'll teach you how to use some indicators like RSI, MACDs to help you to read the charts better using MACD to help you to identify all the corrective structures. Then you also learn diagonals and things like that. There will be a lot lah. Yeah, so just alone on Elliott wave, I have about 23 lessons now, but then I think I will add on another 3 to 5 more lessons. Then the other one is the price action strategy. So this one has about 23 lessons, 23 video lessons around there. I haven't touched on SMC. So if I touch on smart money concepts, by then I think another maybe 15 video, 10 to 15 around there. Okay, combo entry trigger. Oh, COMM. COMM. Oh, why never triggered? I thought you like to take trades like that, Tan. Wow, you all really talk a lot inside the group chat. Nice. Hey, no worries, guys. You all go ahead, okay? Go and play your game. Just go and play your game, okay? Today is Friday. Market is not moving already. I also thinking of ending the live stream a bit earlier. Yes, Tan Tan close shop liao. Okay, okay. Break out. Okay, okay. I understand. I thought you are talking in Hokkien. Bow trigger, bow entry trigger. Okay, okay, nice. Thank you, Tan Tan. I think you can take quite good trades. I like it. Yeah, today Friday, I just take it easy already. This month, good enough for me. Okay, I make 6 figures here. So, can relax a bit lah. Don't need to too stress anymore. Yeah, next week then I come back and see again, then see whether we can get any other entries. But so far the rest I think it's fine. Let me see. PLTR, okay. Oi, Palantir. Oh, so close. Oh, CCI, how is it doing? CCI. Okay, not bad. Good, good, good. BTM. Is correction coming? I think so. I think so. But I can't tell for now. Minimally, my target for SPY is 632, so maybe just a little bit more to the upside. Yeah, even right now, let me see, huh? How's my position? Okay, lor, still the same, man. Doesn't look like. Oh, yes, Tan Tan, you still in BTM or not? I got out already, break even. Oh, you left 20%. Just now I booked like 30% on it. So, okay, like make 1:1. Better than nothing. Because SG pennies are running usually the last leg before correction. SG pennies. What is SG pennies? Okay, not bad. Tantan still got 20%. Penny stocks. Yeah, penny stock is something that I don't trade personally. And I don't think I will. Maybe I will try, maybe a little bit using my cash account. Yeah, I don't have I don't have experience in penny stocks. I always trade those, big names. Oh yes, of course, brother. He's my partner leh. His alert wave is as good as mine. Because we back tested the system together with one more Malaysian guy. But the Malaysian guy, he totally quit already lah. Yeah, so the three of us, we back tested this strategy. Yes, we used to attend the same course, the same alert wave course, but the alert wave course is good, it gives me a foundation how, alert wave works, like that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABC classic type of learning the classic type of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and ABC. After that, I used for a while and I noticed that it doesn't work. Then I also went to ask like Shadow, is it working for him? He also says that it doesn't work and the forecast is always wrong. So that's when me and Shadow and one more guy, his name is called Elvin. Then we sat down together every single day. We'll meet around like 6 p.m. After that, we'll back test together all the way until 10 p.m., 11 p.m., something like that. Then during the weekend, we'll meet for the whole day. So morning, we meet until noontime, go for lunch, come back, meet again. After evening, go for dinner, come back. And then we keep repeating this process for about 2 years. That's how I found that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABC doesn't work. Wrote the Rick. Okay, Rick. He does it on the 5 minutes more. 5 minutes time frame. He rarely goes down to the 1 minute time frame. 15 minutes and 5 minutes around there. Oh, he flew off already. Okay, he's not in Singapore right now. Yeah, these few days until next week, a lot of my partners, they are all flying off. They are going for holiday. Because they told me what the children holiday season is over. Yeah, I will ask him I will ask him to share. I think he will teach me. Then after I teach you guys. It's basically the same thing, just that he likes to day trade only. Every day he get in, get out, get in, get out. He doesn't likes to do swing trade. He doesn't likes to do position trades. I told him now. I told him he can come to my place, live stream together. I could go and buy another microphone just for him. He doesn't want. He's low profile, that guy. Very, very low profile. Yeah, he also says that after he came back from his trip, he will join into the course. Okay, Ken, potato, see you. Yes, funny guy lah. He just want to support a friend lah. He told me he just want to support me. Like, give me an ang pao for my new business. Some of the trades that I took, right, is because he privately WhatsApp me. Then after he sent it to me, then I take a look. Okay, then I just send it inside the group. Yeah, because he also knows that right now I'm live streaming, so to monitor so many instruments will be a little bit tougher already. So he helped me on that part. The $5 plus stock. What $5 plus stock? Oh, just not the one that we took. No, that one is from Tantan. The BTM is from Tantan. He don't trade penny stocks also. He trade all the large cap stocks. But then he only focus on, I think, 5 instruments, something like that. 5 to 10, I think. Then he will just do 0 DTE on them. But he got tell me this week, he saw the market like the moment it opened, only move like less than 1 hour, then it doesn't move anymore. He's so tired, he just tell me I go overseas now. This week he's not trading. Yeah, zero DTE, how the market move is very, very, very important. Yes, correct. That's why you only master a few instruments. You don't need to master a lot. Like me myself, I'm quite good with AMD, Nvidia, Amazon, and Palantir. These four is like my favorite that type. You guys also should do the same thing. Like go and find, instruments that you like a lot and then go and back test them over and over again. Go and collect all the stats. Go and read how the corrective structures develop and normally, and how the complex corrective structures also develops. You have a very, very good idea lah. Yes, correct. Forex initially when I started, I like pound yen and USD yen. I haven't made that video on back testing, but I need to make that also. It's very, very easy. You just go to trading view. Go to trading view, there's this replay button. So you click on replay, right? Then after this part will have this like, this blue color line. So the moment you can see my chart starts to, go translucent or something like that. So if you click somewhere here, the future data will all be cropped off. So you can back test like that. Then slowly, press the candle. Let's say, for example, I cut here, cut until here. Then from here, you just press the play button. You press this, and then you can see the candle will slowly develop by itself. But you don't put like, starting maybe up to you, like what's the speed that you want to adjust. You can put 1 time, you can put 3 times. Every day you don't have to do a lot, maybe 30 minutes, 1 hour. If you have the time, can do like 2 hours. Then back test. And then what I like to do is, maybe I go to the 1 hour, I'll zoom my chart like that, okay? And then before the chart even loaded, the behind part even loaded, right? I will just go and take that blue color thing, right? Just chop anywhere. So I don't know what's happening to the chart. If not, I will just, zoom my chart like that, then I'll just move left and right like that. Anywhere. Then after I close my eyes, just click. Then after that, you will see, whatever data it gives you. So you don't have any bias. Yes, correct. That's how I back tested my strategy. Yeah, if Shadow someday, he decided to come here together with me, when you look at him scan the charts, right, it's exactly like how I scan my charts. It's very fast that type. You'll see like a replicate version. Just that he's very quiet, he doesn't talk a lot. He just send you one image only. Like right now got a trade, right? He just take a picture. Don't type anything on the chart. He take a picture and then he send it to you. Then you know, okay, he wants to do that. Because I have known him for at least 10 years already. So I know his style very, very well. Initially, he's not like that. He likes to do swing trade. But after he learns the 0 DTE, that's when maybe about 6 years ago or something, then he started to change. He starts to like to do like day trading more than swing. Guys, actually market not moving. Right? Y'all wants to end the live stream or not? Or y'all still wants to chat? I'm fine with either though. Okay, guys, let's take this trade. Let's do a small one, okay? Don't do anything aggressive because there's no confirmation. Right? Okay. Oh yes, can, guys. Yeah, right now I got 3 accounts. I like headache, man. Then every single time I log in the biometric thing, I'm like, my God. Yes, can. No worries. Take it. Take a small one, a small one. I send as a day trade, right? Yes, a day trade, correct. Yeah, now 3 accounts. I managed until I'll go crazy. Yeah, partly also I take a small one because I think it's on the higher risk side. Although the stop loss is a little bit larger, it's like a swing trade stop loss, but then I risk smaller. Because we need to remember, today is a Friday. At the same time, uh, today there will be a lot of option expiring. So my market might be, a little bit more volatile later towards the end of the day. Okay lah, guys. Seems like we got nothing to do already. I also don't want to hold you guys back. I know you all want to go and play game, right? No. I sold. Yes, I sold Meta put already, but right now I think it's still slightly negative though. But okay, I will hold it for a while because this one, as long as right, it doesn't come to 660, I think I'm fine. Our game cancel now. Why? Why cancel? Hey guys, you all really can go and play game, you know? You're inside the group now. I will give you updates. Yeah, today Friday, don't have to be going to relax lah. Huh? You all also have a long week at work already. What strike price? Strike price is 680. Then after that, expiry is on the 25th of August. No. 15th of August. 15th of August. 680. So it's fine. Oh, he normally use 15 minutes and 5 minutes for entry. But then he will minimally look at the hourly chart. Then hourly chart, he wants to know, previous day where's the closing price, and then today where's the opening price, something like that. So it's like a range for him. So he use it to find something like support and resistance. It's a type of day trading strategy lah. When you all learn about the what the day trading, right? It's exactly the same way how he applies to 0 DTE. Just that I don't have the habit of, getting in and out within the same day. It's just me. Price action, you mean by reading the candlestick, is it? No, he also use wave theory though. Because you go down to the 5-minute chart, all that, you can still see wave structures. So he still uses wave theory. If you ask him about all these candlestick, this one is doji, all that, you tell him all that, he don't even look at it though. At least we use, momentum candle he use, but then the shooting star, all that, he don't even use though. He look at that one, he sure tell me, this candlestick doesn't mean anything one. Then you see a doji, this one will fly all the way down, meh? He'll ask you something like that. Yeah, he don't use candlestick. He's a pure, just looking at wave structures. No. He's very fast. Very, very fast. Usually within 1 hour to 2 hours, 30 minutes to 2 hours, he get out already. The usual range is about 9:45. He tells me he likes to enter around 9:45. 9:45 to about 10:30 he's out. Oh, you thought I set a bigger distance. But the 680, the premium good leh. 670 onwards, it starts to drop a little. Yeah, so I can tank all the way until about 660 lah. Hopefully I don't get assigned. But I really think because of this put option, I seem to run out margin quite fast. And the student all go no now, and then you all come to live stream. Yes. He's so used to it already. He's like me like that, One look, you already more or less can tell where the market will go to. So he only scan maybe on very fast, click daily. He one look, he already know that he go 4 hours. After 4 hours appear, he knows already, he just go to 1 hour. 1 hour, he starts to be a little bit more detailed. Then after he drops down to 15 minutes. Then 5 minutes this is where he starts to find his entries. Yes. Eller wave, right? That's why there's this thing called the fractal nature of the market. So whatever you see on the higher time frame or lower time frame, it will keep repeating itself over and over again, non-stop that kind. Even like right now on the 5 minutes, you also can see wave structure, right? Rick, I believe you should be able to see some, right? No, he's not scalping. He also cannot scalp. We tried for a while scalping, but scalping, I think it's too fast. We don't have the skills to do that. Especially for people who use their mobile phone to buy and sell position, I don't think you can scalp so fast though. Unless you use a computer, you use a preset, you know. Usually the scalpers, they like to use the desktop version, then they have a preset. So that preset, they have like shortcuts on their keyboard. So the moment they press a certain shortcut, straight away will buy at that price, and then press another key, it will sell off everything. So you don't have to manually type. But also you will go through earnings, huh? Go through earnings. I likely won't go through earnings. I'm also scared of earnings. Yeah, so by the time if Meta goes until earnings, right, I might decide what to do already. If I see that like no potential like that, likely I will exit for Meta. I will not hold through earnings. Yes, it's exactly the same thing, guys. It's exactly the same thing. Whatever wave structures that you see on daily time frame, you will see them on 4 hours, you'll see them on 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, even down to the 1 minute chart. As long as you know how to identify the structures, you start to see it everywhere. Really, like everywhere. That's why on live stream a lot of times, people come to my live and then they ask me about certain instrument. Like within seconds, I can tell them where is the direction already. Because I'm actually looking at the wave structures. I know possibly which leg is going to develop. Yes, for him, day trade is about 1 hour, 15 minutes, and 5 minutes. Because if I'm not wrong, he only focused on that few instrument. Because for these few years, right, whenever he sends me a trade, it's always that few. Like Nvidia lah, AMT lah, Amazon, Palantir, the one that I normally like to trade also. He also likes to trade them. Yes, the rig, because we do a lot of swing trades, right? So you can try to at least minimally, go to daily chart, look at the daily chart, how's the wave structure. Then after you go to 4 hours, 4 hours you can tell, this area, what is it doing. Then after you go to 1 hour, 1 hour is the place that usually we try to find an entry. Go according to what you have learned in the price action strategy. Adler wave, right, is okay. I would say that for entries, right, to set your stop loss or that, price action strategy is actually better. Okay, but then wave structure, Adler wave, when it becomes good, is that you have a high probability of looking at it and you know which direction to trade, and then you can identify a change of trend very early, very quickly. Much more, I can tell you, it's really much more earlier than most of the maybe traders starts to identify them. So remember, Rick, yesterday I showed you one triangle in SPY. So if you didn't know Adler wave, you wouldn't know that that is actually a top. Yeah, you can go and search around your chart after you go and find that triangle on SPY. So because you know wave theory, right? That's how you identify tops. And Rick, have you finished ending diagonals or not? If you did, combine together with MACD, that's how you also identify a top and bottom. Not yet. Okay. You can, after you watch the diagonals videos together with triangles and flats and everything, right? Go through the rest. Try to go through the rest, finish it, and I think you will have a good idea already. Something like what Potato is doing. Yeah, that guy, I think he whole day, I think he's going to take MC or something, never go work, then stay at home and watch the video though. Normal people who work, how to watch finish. I also attended course before. I tell you, when I attended the Alert Wave course, you know what time is it? It's Singapore 2 a.m. To 6 a.m. I attended his course live, that kind. Like right now we are doing live. It's a 4 hours lesson for, I think, 5 days or something. So imagine every day, 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. 6 a.m. Well, I listen until like, I want to sleep now. Yeah, I think he took MC lah. So MC just to stay at home and watch. I think he really want to change his life. But you know, trading is also a thing that don't be too eager. Try to see as one more source of income. Okay, I think like because for me myself, right, even I'm good with trading, I have never ever thought of just relying on one thing though. Like recently, because my finance also starts to get even better already, then I contacted my friend. I asked him, bro, you got do trust deed or not? I need you, help me to draft a trust deed. So in the event if I were to move on or pass on all that, how I can be accountable or give my wife and my children a better life. So I'm doing like legacy planning. Yeah, I will always go and think about all this rather than just focusing on one thing. Yes, especially sometimes I also have friend lah who works as an institutional trader. Then he tells me, why not you come and work in a bank? He said, work in a bank, no stress. And you just trade the bank money. For me, correct lah. You work in the bank, no stress. You trade the bank money. If you make a lot of money, you have very, very good bonus and everything. Then I asked him, since you're so good, why you don't want to trade for yourself? He told me institutional trader is very, very different because they work as a team. Every day they got meeting, got research, tell them what to do for the day and everything. Then when you become an independent trader, you lose access to all of this. So he tell you, even he's so good, he will also not trade for himself. He will rather work for a bank. So these are different things. Like when you trade for yourself, you also need to handle the psychological part about your own money. Because sometimes when market really tanks so badly, you also got stressed. Then after you can't sleep and everything. For him, it's just another day, another bad day. I go back to work again, the next day. I had the insider news, like not June one. My friend also give me a lot of insider news, but like the way they trade is very different. Like this friend tell me, go and sell a put option for Nvidia at $100. After that, go and sell that put option for I think 1 year or 2 years. He asked me to sell a put option for Nvidia at $100 for 1 or 2 years. Hey, we go and see 1 or 2 years. Hey, the moment you sell it, it's like, I don't know. Because he's this one is actually another friend. I forgot which bank he worked in, but then okay, you just imagine you sell one for 1 year at $100. Your premium also not a lot, right? It's like $3 only. I have no idea. He asked me to sell one at, I think 100. If I'm not wrong, 100 or 150, or I mix up already. Maybe 150. 150 seems like there are still a little bit of meat. But $14 for 1 year, like not very worth it though. Then your margin get locked in for such a long time. Yeah, they sell put for 1 year. I have no idea. This one different league. I don't understand. Yes, the company is huge. If you go and look at all the institution, when they buy stocks, okay, you see, Bank of America stocks holdings. If you look at their portfolio, right, they are all cash account. But then if you look at their portfolios, where is it? Okay, you look at how they buy shares, they won't run out of money, man, my friend. Why I cannot zoom in? This website I cannot zoom in. Can. Oh, I think I hang. Okay, just look. You look the percentage of portfolio. Why is it? Okay, this part. You look at those banks, right? When they buy stocks, it's only a fraction at 0.3% of their portfolio. The way we buy stocks is like 10%, 20% of our portfolio already. But the banks, they buy like 0.3. Sometimes you even see 0.1. How to compare? My God. My website jam already. Come on, don't jam please. My friend, don't jam. Lag liao. Stuck. Oi. Yes, why so laggy? Okay, I'm back. I think I zoom in too much, is it? Reset. Yeah, possible as well. Possible. Yeah, but it's very, very different from us. We are retail trader. We cannot compare to a bank. The size they buy is like 0.3% of their account, 0.1%. How we do that? If we buy 0.1%, I don't think you make a single cent. I think I need to go and find someone come and fix my computer already. Good idea, huh? If I put 0.3%, I also think that I put inside my CPF better. Put inside the special account. Okay, Rick, can. I think I also going off soon. Guys, we stream until 12:30, okay? 7 more minutes to go. And then that's it. I'll see you guys next week. Hey, no problem, Rick. No problem. Thank you for coming. Thank you. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you for everyone that came to the live stream. Okay, and if you guys are interested in joining the course, let me know. Okay, just send me a WhatsApp text. Guys, you all have any questions or not? I have more or less scanned through everything and I don't have any more setups. I'm just waiting for next week. Today, not going to take anything anymore. Anybody know what is this stock or not? This crypto Pengu. 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 Is it a good crypto? Let me see. Pengu. Oh, it's Penguin Solution. Penguin Solution. .0.088 ah. Fuyo. 0.088, this is like so high though. 0.088 somewhere here, so it's going to make new highs. Okay. Maybe tomorrow I can go open a crypto account and I can try. For a AI bot. What do you mean by AI bot? What's your opinion for AI bot? Is it a stock called AI bot? I have tried a lot. I paid thousands of dollars for people, to join their trading board, forex trading board. But so far, none of it worked well for me lah. This is what I can tell you. I believe somewhere out there, there one system that is very, very good. But I have no luck finding that. SBET, yeah. Why everybody so interested in SBET? For me, this stock, the moment I see it, the first thing is skip though. But if you want to buy, I would need to see, maybe next 1 or 2 weeks you can ask me again. Then after that, I see how the wave structure develops. Because currently right now I can't tell what is it doing though. Yeah, I think need about 1 to 2 weeks at least. Why no luck? It's not working. Those bots are not working. They are not consistent. Sometimes, suddenly it make a lot of money and then suddenly uh, they just blow up your whole account. Do you manage to find one? If you manage to find one, can tell me. Okay? I don't mind go and buy one. Then after I go and put $2,000 or what. Let it run. Market overbought. Possibly. I'm a little bit more cautious, so I shift my stop loss tighter already. Yup, SPY is also coming down a little, but today is a Friday, so I can't really tell. I will need to wait until next week. Okay, whether it's overbought or not. But my target for SPY is 632. So if SPY goes to about 632, I will be extremely cautious. BMNR. Yup, 100% down. Yeah, this is the type of stock that I always skip. Okay, because I don't know lah, my style lah. This one just my style Yeah, if you look back this one exactly the same lah. This one is like the mini version, mini version. This one the big brother, same thing. Then after you go down to 4 hours, look at this part. I think down more downside. This one likely. Where's the big brother? Just now I saw the big brother. Where's the big brother? You see? I'm big brother. That's small brother. Yeah, Richard, I'm scared of this. I also don't dare to give you much advice, but for me, it's downside, if not skip. Why 632? Because I use wave theory. I have a fib level that is very, very accurate. The accuracy is about, I think, 90% around there. So normally it hits my fib level. I will tend to be a bit more cautious. Yes, fib extension. But the way I use it is very, very different because I combine it with alert wave. I combine with alert wave and then I find the confluence for that level and the hit rate is very, very high. A lot of times when the moment you hit it, you will see some sort of reaction. Cannot. This one, if you want to, you can join my course, okay? Inside my course, I show you a lot of examples doing that flip. Yeah, normally you don't see me using over here. I just eyeball, I can tell the level already. I even showed it in my course. Okay, even yesterday was doing the Q&A. Some of the students, they doubt whether really or not I can use my eyeball to look at all those levels. After that, I asked them, you just give me any random chart. Tell me where you want me to find the next target. Then I just draw a line here. After they go and measure, it's very, very close, that kind. So I usually use the eyeball. You don't see me opening up my fibs. You won't see me how I measure the impulses. For now is 2688. So if you like to, can join. Because the promo is totally over already. Do you subscribe? Yes, I used to, when I was very, very new, of course, I subscribed to Signal services. Once in a while it works and then suddenly it stopped working, and then after a while it also work again. I do subscribe to quite a lot lah. When I was new, I was also looking for those get rich quick scheme, but I found no success, really no success. Yes, of course I learned from someone. Everything you have to learn from a mentor, right? I believe in mentorship. So whenever I want to learn a skill or something, I will definitely find a mentor. Even like when I come to live stream, I go and pay someone 3,000 USD just to learn, how to make videos, how to create contents, all that. Yeah, so for trading, I attended many courses, but the most memorable one is only that three that I attended. The rest are all the small ones. Then I feel that time I was too young, so I got smoked. They show me all the beautiful things, and then I went to join their course because it was also not very expensive for me, so I think it's okay. No, none of my mentor is from SG. All of them are all the Angmos. I learned about 11 to 12 years ago. Yeah, the Singapore ones I have not attended before. But what I'm doing right here is things that I've modified so much that it no longer the same as the course that I have joined, because it's also so many years ago. I can't really remember what they teach anymore. So it was after those courses I backtested the strategy, and then I created my own. So I modified the whole system. Even for Elevate, for that, when you join, right, the Elevate that you will be learning is so different from what you see on YouTube. So different from what you are going to read from the book. Like even the field extension, all that, Elevate theory doesn't teach you those levels. Yeah, I don't know whether is there anything I can show you inside the student group or not. Let me see. Yeah, because yesterday we did a lot of Q&A. We did for like 2 hours and 30 minutes. It was way too long. But then I didn't, record down the video, record down the session or anything. Yeah, but guys, I do have a refund policy, so I will do a full refund because you are going to learn 3 strategy, price action strategy, alert wave, and smart money concepts. And then I have a full refund if you join already and you think that after learning the price action strategy is not suitable for you, just click refund. Just let me know. I won't ask you any single question. I will just transfer you back directly. For swing trade, can I enter on 1 hour better or 4 hours? It all depends though. It depends on what you are looking at. Because my swing trading, a lot of people told me my swing trading, my stop loss is very, very small. The students are there because the students, the one that joins, they came from other people group though. I just realized today. I didn't know that until they were all talking about it. Because I think when you join into Discord or something, you can see, whether what mutual server you have. I think so. Then after that, they go and look at one another's mutual server, I think. Yeah, then I forgot what I want to say already. I think I'm also tired, yeah, then after they compare, they told me my stop loss is a little bit smaller. So I'm not too sure, how other people take swing trade. Because I know like some maybe, they take a breakout of this trend line and then they place a stop over here. For me, I will never ever place a stop over here. For me, this is way too large already unless I do a position trade. And then this will be my stop loss. Even for Meta, this is like possibly like, how much is this? $30. $30 on Meta for me. Sometimes my position trade also not so big though. My friend told me to use ATR to set stop loss. Is that true? Yes, of course you can. There's a strategy to do it. Okay, all the indicators that you can see, right? Like in this world, it works. It's just that how you use it. Okay, so these indicators just treat it like a car, and then you are the driver. So it depends on how you drive the car. It's not the indicators that matters, it's the driver. So you as the trader, it matters more than the tool. You need to know when you should use this tool, when you should use that tool. Yeah, some people, you can use RSI to set stop loss, you can use ATR, you can use EMAs, you can use SMA, MA, super trend indicators and everything. But the thing that you have to learn is, how to use them. Okay, guys, time's up now. Time to go to bed, okay? Any more questions or not? If no more questions, then after that I will, go off already. You enter on breakout or retest. I do both. So it depends on the situation. Also depends on the wave structure. Because I'm a wave trader, although you don't see me labeling like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all that on my chart, I don't have to. I eyeball, I already know which wave we are in. So you don't see me drawing the labelings and everything. Hey, no worries, Richard. Also, after I started live, I received quite a lot of DMs. They asked me why I don't label like 1, 2, 3, 4, all that. I have very, very special way of doing alert wave, so I don't label like that. Okay, Ken, no worries, guys. We still got time. Next week we can chat again. Okay, see you guys. Thank you. Enjoy your weekend. Thank you so much for coming. Okay, stay safe. Good night. Have a good weekend. Bye bye. See you.